We in the city, boys. We got Spur. We got Alex on the R1. Hey! We got Spur in the back on the little Grom. Yo, I coasted for the first time earlier. Yo, at the museum, I coasted for the first time on this bitch. Yeah, I coasted, bro. I know, that shit was crazy. Good shit. You're getting it. A little bit. So we're going to like some AutoZone because Alex's exhaust like blew a hole in itself, which is crazy because it's a real exhaust, so it's like real titanium, and it blew a hole, like a hole the size of like 3/4. So it's pretty crazy that happened. So yeah, we're looking for this AutoZone right now. He just scraped the license plate. Oh my god, I just coasted that again. That was cool as hell. He's that guy. What? He's that guy. Let's go, Spur. Just stalled on accident. I'm not making that. Where's this AutoZone? Family Dollar AutoZone.
Y'all ain't hear me squeal like that. I was clearing my
Thank you, thank you. We got the exhaust wrap. Let me show you guys this hole that he managed to...
Hey, you gotta get them the light.
Yeah, let me get some light. Damn.
It's the glory hole.
That's crazy.
No man wants that.
Austin Racing, come on. Make stuff work for us. How are you gonna charge so much for an exhaust and it doesn't work?
It's terrible.
Switch bikes.
Huh?
Switch.
What about it?
Switch bikes.
Fuck no.
Yes.
No.
For 3 lights.
For 3 lights?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it. If it's 3 lights. I'm giving him 3 lights.
He's giving me 3 lights on the Grom.
Because I know I brought the Grom out because it's fun.
It's in there. Imagine I left.
Yeah, I was like, yo, what the fuck? Hey, Day Junior.
He's gonna try to wheelie it. Okay, let me go around this speed bump. Oh my god, this bike is so fun.
This thing scares me.
What gear were you in?
Fucking second.
Do third, trust me.
This shit is like,
Yeah. Third gear all the time, bro.
this shit is wilder.
First and second is super scary.
Yeah. It's got so much fucking torque.
Yeah. Oh my god, I just scraped. Yo, his thing is like turning around. I'm gonna take my hand off. No, I'm not. All right, we can switch back. We can switch back. You want to switch back?
I fucked my nuts up.
He smacked his nuts on the bike. I'm coasting! That was a coast! You saw that?
That's him. It's fucking him.
Woo! Yo, how far did I scrape?
Dude, like the whole fucking thing.
It didn't spark?
No, but it like, you fucking bent the whole thing.
Wow. Yes, sir! Yeah.
Be out.
going to the Lucor and we're gonna pick up the girl.
What?
We're going to the Lucor and we're gonna pick up the girl.
Your girl? What?
I said you're a bitch. Let's go, Sperm. He's back there wheeling. It's a nice night to be out. I'm dragging my feet on the ground. With the on the seat! He's crazy with it! Let's go! Yo, Groms are so fun, man. I couldn't slow it down in time. Oh, I'm slowing her down a lot, man. Let's go.
The whole fucking road or what?
I'm crazy like that, bro.
Out there.